In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link data in Google Sheets. Linking your data within a sheet and between two sheets is quite easy. Here's how to do it. A single link can be made with just an equal sign and a cell reference. So we have an equal sign there, and select the cell that you want to link, press enter, and you've successfully linked two cells. So if you make any changes from here, let's say we're going to change the value of that, and there you have it, the changes has been reflected between the two linked cells. If you try that again, just start with an equal sign, select your cell reference, and press enter. Again, if you make any changes, it will be reflected to the linked cell. Let's say you want to link columns and rows. Here's how to do it. Again, we're still going to start with an equal sign. This time we're going to use array formula. So you have it here, just select it and select the cell range that you want to link. If you press enter, there you have it. It's linked right here. Let's try that again with a row. Again with your equal sign, array formula, and select your cell range. Press enter, and there you have it. This time we're going to try and link data between two sheets. So we want to link this data right here to here. How do we do it? Again, we always start with our equal sign, and we're also still going to use array formula. But this time, we're going to include the sheet's name and the cell range. So we're going to start with the sheet name. That's first quarter without a space, your exclamation point, and your cell range, which is B5, colon, E5. If you press enter, you've successfully linked this range to this range. Let's try that again with the second quarter. Again, start with an equal sign, array formula, put in the name of the sheet. So this time there's a space between the second and a quarter. What we're going to do is add a single quotation mark, put in our sheet name, second space quarter, quotation mark, exclamation point, and our cell range. Press enter, and we've successfully linked the data. So let's see what happens if we don't put in the quotation mark. Let's start with an equal sign, array, the sheet's name, let's try with the third quarter, exclamation point, and cell range. If you press enter, you get an error. So we're just going to double click it and insert our single quotation marks. If you press enter, it doesn't give you an error. And let's try it with the last one. With the fourth quarter, again, quotation mark, exclamation point, B5, colon, E5. And there you have it. That's how to link data in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.